CR 3597, State of Texas versus Chardonnay Leanne Lockhart. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Andrew Fred, Ms. Lockhart.
Are you Ms. Lockhart?
Yes.
Right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Lockhart, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
I am a female. You keep saying, yes, sir.
No, I said yes, Your Honor.
No, you said, yes, sir.
I said yes, Your Honor.
I would
Okay.
say I heard yes, Your Honor, as well, Judge.
Okay. All right. Are you proceeding on the,
One moment.
are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're gonna go with the lesser included offense of attempted arson, recklessly causing damage.
Okay. Any objection?
No objection.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, you're right. She did say yes, Your Honor. I don't know why it sounded like sir. My allergies are really, I apologize. My allergies are really acting up today.
And Judge, no, I whispered to her that she needs to speak up and not see it. So yeah, no.
Okay, that's okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Because sometimes people always say that and I'm like, all right. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted arson, recklessly causing damage as a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Actually, Judge,
I believe, Judge, since it's attempted, the arson, recklessly causing damage is a state jail, and since it's attempted, it's a class A misdemeanor.
Okay, why do you guys have this filled out as a state jail?
It should have been
the
changed.
first paragraph specifically should list it as a class A.
All right, so you all need to redo this piece of paperwork.
Sure.
And I would suggest that you use the felony paperwork. That way you can write it in because otherwise
It's difficult.
I don't have knowledge that she knows that it's a class A because that's not how it's listed.
That first paragraph I wrote A right next to it. That's my handwriting. First page, Judge, it says range of punishment, and it listed up to a $4,000 fine up to a year in jail.
Oh, okay, you are correct. Look at
Every
this.
once in a while, Judge.
Corrections are happening. I appreciate it.
I hate to correct you, Your Honor.
That's no. Here's the thing. I always tell people,
Sounds good.
make sure that if I'm saying something that's incorrect, to let me know. Okay.
That's what we did there.
All right. So this is what I'm going to need you all to do, though.
Yes,
I
Judge.
need her to initial it so I know that she knows because all of this is state jail felony paperwork. That's why I say
Okay.
state jail.
Sorry about that, Judge. I saw that. I thought about using the other paperwork, but I didn't know if that was probably the better way. Or from now on, I'll probably try and do that.
Okay. Because all this paperwork is state jail felony paperwork.
I tried crossing out, it was the felony, the discussion about the felony, the felony in possession of a firearm. And I thought I caught everything else. I think I changed everything to reflect.
Yeah, we
Okay.
erased all of the stuff about the firearm possession because that doesn't apply because it's not a felony.
Okay, let me carefully read through the paperwork. Just give me a moment to make sure that everything is the way it should be. As arson as a class A misdemeanor, the range of punishment for that offense is up to $4,000 fine and up to a year in Nevada County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court doesn't have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Sure.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That's the follow the mark.
All right, Ms. Lockhart, if you're released from custody, do you have a place to live?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where?
738 North.
No, I'm sorry, don't say the address,
Oh,
but who will you be living with?
I apologize. It's a property my father had bought.
Sorry, what?
I'll be living by myself.
Well, whose property is it?
My father.
Why were you not living with your father before? During this incident?
No, it's because I'm 30 years old.
Well, no, here's the thing. I'm reading this and it appears, rightly or wrongly, the way I'm reading it, it appears that you were homeless. Basically, it's implying that you were homeless because it said there were clothing and other items and that you lit this fire because you told them you were trying to dry your blanket. So this is what you stipulated to. I didn't force anybody to stipulate to it. That's what's in the police report. So why were you homeless if now you can live with your father?
I wasn't at home, but I was not homeless.
So why were you living in this field or wherever it was with your items?
I have no idea. I don't know how to answer that.
All right, so why is she wearing yellow today?
I'm pregnant,
Okay, I just wanted to hear it. And how far along?
like 21, 22 weeks now.
Judge, I didn't mean to be presumptuous, but I have been in this court once or twice before. I did tell her she was going to be taking a parenting class, which was theoretically outside of it, but she understands she's going to take the parenting class going forward. Because that's going to be her.
All right, and is she on medications at the jail?
Yes, Judge. She was not on her medication at the time. Now she is on her medication. She's frankly alive. She's definitely competent at this point in time. At the time, she was not being rational, but at this time, she is going to be successful going forward. There is a part about the mental MIC caseload and her being interviewed for that. I believe that would be necessary. And she understands that being med compliant is going to be a part of that as well.
All right, do you have any other children?
Yes, I do.
How many?
2.
And where are they?
Out of town with my family.
And what are their ages?
11.
They're both 11, twins?
Mhm.
That's either yes or no.
Yes.
Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. And I'm gonna want a TAP evaluation in custody as well. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start her with intensive outpatient treatment. And I'm gonna want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, we'll do proof of employment within 30 days of release or proof of SSI within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And I'm sorry, instead of the regular UA's probation, I'm going to want the UA hotline with testing at least once a week. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you think there's anything else your client needs?
There's nothing else she needs, Judge. We asked the evaluations be done when she's out of custody.
All right, that will be denied. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, yes,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Right, yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Was she not approved for mental health court?
Honestly, can't tell you off the top of my head, Judge, since she's been in custody this time,
Mhm.
we've conferred with the DA, and this was the attempt. She's got quite a bit of time. So this is our agreement that we reached.
All right.
She was approved. I know that she's being evaluated for mental at the MIC caseload,
Mhm.
being that it's a misdemeanor, but mental health court, I don't think that was approached because it wasn't an option to be a misdemeanor until we talked about the last week.
All right, probation, can you also do a referral to the mental health court? And see if they'll accept her. My understanding, mental health court, it's sort of like PTD. So if they accept her and she completes it, then this will be as though it never happened. So counsel, if they accept her in PTD and you all want to come back and ask for a motion for a new trial, or withdraw her plea,
Yes.
then the court will consider that.
That's what I was thinking ahead, Judge. And that's why my brain was going like, I don't know if it looked like I was rolling my eyes. But I was like, does that mean that she wants? Yes. Okay.
All
I'll
right,
explain that.
so,
Thank
LaShawn,
you.
if you can, you're welcome. LaShawn, if you can make sure she's referred to mental health court and tell them that even though she's entered a plea here, if they are willing to accept her, defense is going to file a motion for new trial and the court will grant it. All right, thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day.
And I'll explain in a second what she's doing and it's really helping her out. But
All right, and they'll put you back in the box so probation can speak with you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.